Hey, I'm Jenty at Cosplay, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how I made my Harley Quinn Mallet from Birds of Prey. So these are the materials I'll be using. You'll need a primer, a blue and white gloss of satin spray, and a sealant spray. You'll need 3 types of glue: a water-based glue like a PVA, a glue like Mod Podge used for a sealer, and you'll need quite a strong glue such as a contact adhesive. Make sure you have a red and blue marker pen for the writing. I'm using a walking stick end and electrical tape for the handle. Using the PVA glue, you need to glue the 3 cake dummies together. These are polystyrene, so will melt with most other glues. It's also important to coat the finished form in a few layers of the Mod Podge. Sorry, I forgot to film that bit. Next, draw around the handle in the centre and cut out a big chunk. I found a box cutter worked much better for this. Then just glue in the broom handle using PVA. If your handle is too long, just saw the end off to a desired length. Next step is to prime the handle with about 3 coats, leaving time to dry. Then go over this with the blue gloss, maybe it's about 2 to 3 layers. Then it's important to seal all this. Next, measure around the base and across. Then transfer these measurements to the foam, adding about 1 inch to the longest part and ½ inch to the shortest. Also make room for the handle to fit. For the ends, just draw around the base and cut out. Then use a craft knife or Dremel to add details for cuts and chips. Next, work out the diamonds and text on scrap paper, ready for painting. Before painting, it's important to seal this with a heat gun. I started with a light brown for the base, then just gradually added darker tones. Try to paint in the direction of the wood grain. On the main part, I sealed over the paint, masked the white area, then sprayed with the white spray paint. Next, I drew on the diamonds, masked them, then painted. Then I used electrical tape for the black detail. This was much easier than the painting. Using my template, I used marker pens for the handwriting. These alternate in red and blue. I roughly drew where the smiley face would be, then went over this with the acrylic paints. And this is then finished. Next, I attached some electrical tape to the very top of the handle. Now it's time to put it all together. With the contact adhesive, glue both parts, leave for 5 minutes, then attach. This is an instant bond, so be very careful. I did the main parts in sections to make it easier. I then added the handle, which did not go on very easily. I ended up buying some actual grip tape for the handle. I then taped the ends down with the electrical tape. Next, seal the whole end and leave to dry. The final stage is weathering. I used a mix of brown acrylic and water, painted this onto the cracks, and then wiped it away. This leaves a nice weathered effect. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, drop me a message in the comments below.